Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about rose hips. We're going to talk about how to forage them and also how to dry them. I hope you enjoy it. And also I just wanted to quickly mention a couple of health benefits of rose hips. So it is a very rich source of vitamin C, so it definitely boosts your immune system. It also improves your blood circulation, it prevents cancer and chronic diseases. It also reduces the risks of cardiovascular diseases, for example. It's managing diabetes, it also lowers the risk of osteoporosis, and there also are a huge beauty benefits of rosehip oil, for example, because it does keep the skin healthy and wrinkle free. So go and get your rose hips, or also get yourself some rosehip tea. It will definitely do you good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and also consider subscribing to my channel. I bring videos every week with regards to garden design, gardening, gardens and nature in general. So up until I see you in the next video, have a good day and see you next time.